Okay, so this is it, and my goal here is to have this done in about 10 minutes. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is get my level out. I'm going to put this underneath this light because I can't go over it. I'm going to get that level. So now that I'm nice and level and I'm underneath the light switch, I'm going to put a couple of marks here so that I can put my holes on there. I know that there's actually a space between where the top of this is and this screw hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a spacer with my level here. Just going to eyeball that level and bang. Same thing over here. So what this does is now I've got a nice level line from here to here, and I've dropped it down so that I have enough room underneath this light switch, and I'll put my first holes here. So kind of an unconventional way of doing things is I'm going to take this spot here, this line, and put it along the edge of this window. Then I put across there, and that's where I'll put my first hole. Same thing on this side, line that up with the edge of the window. Mark it. And that's where my first hole goes. Now I'm going to tap these in. And put a screw in each. This one nice and level. Mark it for my hole. Same thing here. Nice and level. And mark it. Okay. Let's move these out of the way a little bit. Go ahead and drill in here. Okay, now that that's nice and stable, I can put this on top. Should fit right underneath the light switch. And then I'll put a couple screws in there to keep this thing solid. I'll make sure that it's centered. There we go. And I'll put my little drill bit into this drill. I'll do a couple starters here in front. Okay, and then I will take a couple of small screws, shorter than this. Now this guy's all tied in and secure. Now, all I have to do is mount this guy above it. Now, I haven't actually looked at it to see how it mounts. I'm assuming there's some holes in here, and there are. Okay, so I'm gonna get this thing up and get it level. I'm actually gonna use these things here as spacers so that I can have it spaced just right the whole time. I don't want to go too high with this. So what I'm going to do is take this, put it like that. I'm going to take this one and put it like that. And I'm going to set the whole thing down like that. And now I can work from here. And the door's trying to pull it open for sure. But that's essentially how it'll look, only there won't be anything here. So, okay, so I'll go ahead and check for level. We look good there because we're off this thing. We're basically taking the same level that we put here and just moving it up a little bit. So move that over just a touch. Okay, let me level it. Super, super off center, so bad there. Okay. Okay, so now I'll just center it. Eyeball it, center. Right about there. What to do now? I'm about level with my bubble there. Or was. Okay. Now I'll put a screw here. Okay, check my level. I'm still holding the weight of it because I've only got one screw and it's only in drywall. Okay. So now I've got a couple of screws in there which will hold it for now. But what I'm going to do is, since I know that there are studs here and here, what I'm going to do is just come along these sides here and put a couple screws in the studs. But for now, this will hold this thing up until I can do that. So one of the issues that we're having here is when Taryn is sitting here, there's nowhere for her to put her feet. So I'm going to put this hand bar right here so she's got a footrest. I've kind of eyeballed it to the center of the desk. Now I'm just going to make sure that it's level. I'm going to put some holes here. Okay, now I'll drill those holes in a little better. I'm hitting a stud there, which is good. Hitting a stud there. Hit a stud there. So as far as hitting studs in there, I'm good. This thing isn't going anywhere. It comes with these screws. God almighty. I don't know if I like these screws. I feel like I'm going to be taking these out. But there you go. There's the footrest now. So when you're at the stool here, you can put your feet up here and type. I'm a wicked fast typer. Look at that. You see that? And